Welcome to TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time. In this video, we're showing you how we make a hexagon paving brick using our mold. We begin by applying a release agent to the mold. This step prevents the concrete from sticking and allows the paving brick to release cleanly the next day. For this paving brick, we use a plain concrete mix without any oxide. The mix ratio is 1 part cement, 2 parts river sand, and 2 parts gravel. This mix provides strength, durability, and a clean, natural finish. Care is taken to ensure the concrete fills every edge and corner of the mold. After filling the mold, we switch on the vibrating table for a few seconds. This removes trapped air, allows the concrete to settle properly, and ensures a dense, solid paving brick. The next day, once the concrete has set, we carefully remove the paving brick from the mold. The hexagon paving brick comes out clean, strong, and well defined, ready for curing. And that's how we make hexagon paving bricks using our mold. At TL Store, we focus on simple processes and reliable results, helping you make bricks one brick at a time.